So we are now going to take a deep dive into Nhemamusasa regular. Okay, so I'm going to start with the basic kushaura part for Nhemamusasa. We now move on to another kushaura again for Nhemamusasa. We now move on to another kushaura part for Nhemamusasa, but this one I refer to it as Nhemamusasa yepasi because it starts from the lower notes, the bases. But the Tsinira part is the same. Same Nhemamusasa part again, but you know the last part I played, it's a bit heavy on the hands. So sometimes during a performance when things get heated up and the speed increases and all, one will now go to this part, eliminating the basses. Still on that same Nhemamusasa yepasi kushaura part, some other Mbira players would play it slightly differently. So it's a matter of taste, and we are now looking at the treatment of certain parts by different Mbira players. So one would play that same part this way.